Initially I wasn't going to actually do a little video on this my Lister engine, but I decided I would. I made up a cart for it out of an old hand truck, which is what the handles are off and the wheels in the back, and I got the wheels on the front off another kind of trolley which was being disposed of as well too. Made up the wooden skids and welded it all together badly, but it's welded together, and yeah, the engine's now bolted onto it and it's nice and handy to move around, which is great. So I'm going to start it up and see how it runs. I haven't started it in ages. Well, it isn't what you would call the most finely balanced machine in the world, but it runs well. I think I flooded it a little bit when I was actually, it looks like the seal wash is leaking under there. I'll have to address that. I love this machine, it's great. Maybe if it's on a bit of level ground, let's move it. Well, that made no difference. Great way of testing out my welding skills anyway. But it's like one wheel isn't even on the ground practically, and the other wheel is hopping all over the bloody place. Hey, at least it's portable. Okay, that's a bit better now. And I nipped up the little union at the bottom. It's just at the bottom of the carburetor here. It's kind of stemmed the tide of petrol piston at the bottom of it to some degree anyway. I think it needs a new fibre washer though. But yeah, it's just a case of finding a bit of level ground and it's fine. Seems happy out now. So the idea now is the fact that I want to put something here like a bracket, a spring-loaded bracket that you can use for mounting like an alternator on one day, and then a water pump another day, and a compressor another day, and then you just have all your belt-driven accessories can sit on the same accessory plate, and you can use it for whatever you like. I mean, that was the whole idea of these engines in the first instance. Granted, you're kind of limited to 1.5 horsepower, which is not a great deal, but it's got the power to weight ratio of a windmill. Anyway, I'm happy with that. It's not the prettiest job in the world, but when I paint it Lister green and grind back all my shitty looking welds, it should look a bit more presentable.